How to make clothes on Roblox Mobile 2025. So we'll be showing you a process, one method to create clothing on Roblox Mobile. So over here we have a website called Custom Use. Isn't a promotion or anything. It's just showing you one of the methods. So there are lots of other ways you can create your templates or your clothes that you can upload to UCG, but for now we'll be using Costume since this is just another method. So log into your Costume account. You're gonna need to have an account to create here in Costume. It's better to use an account that's connected to Roblox for simpler integrations. But here you could either like put in AI specifically on what you want, but you could do it manually by creating a Roblox classic clothing. So you could create a shirt or pants or something you want, and then just start with your design. So there's an app that you can download as well. It's pretty much easier in there since you can't really create it in the website. But just go ahead and create your design in the app. There's also templates over here that you can choose from. All you have to do is use that template and then add pictures or designs to pretty much tweak that template. But once you do have the file ready, you've downloaded the file, once you've created the design, all you have to do now is go into your Roblox and then go to the bottom right corner where you can find more, and then just press on the create option. And then inside create, make sure you have the subscription to be able to have access to uploading. It's much easier that way. And then the side home button, you should be able to see a triple bar thing. Then just go to your creations, and then in creations go to your avatar items. There's a premium required, so you're gonna need that if you want to upload your clothing. And once you do so, just go ahead to the classic section, or depending on what you created, maybe accessories. But if it's clothing, you can go directly to the clothing as well. But for example, just go to classics and then just upload your assets. So put in the file that you got from the website, and then it should upload. Fill in the details of your avatar item, and then you should be able to use that clothing for yourself, or you could even sell it if you want. But that's pretty much how you make clothes on Roblox Mobile. Pretty much just a process, not the actual full thing, since it pretty much depends on you and what you want to create. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.